Napaka-arrogante ng ex mo. And it looks like nandun na siya sa point na wala na siyang pakialam sa'yo. So, with that reason, talagang hiniwalayan ka niya completely. The fascinating facts na makikita mo dito is, sa pakikipaghiwalay niya sa'yo, wala siyang maramdamang simpatya. Para siyang robot, para siyang bakal, sobrang lamig. Ramdam na ramdam mo na para kang ginigisa sa sobrang lamig niya, para kang napapahiya, para kang tanga. Wala kang maramdamang init ng pagmamahal, para siyang bangkay na hindi mo maramdaman kung buhay pa dahil lalamig na. And that's the feeling na binabato sa'yo ng ex mo. And the bad news is, hindi apologetic ang ex mo sa ginagawa niya. He or she literally dump you so bad. To the point na hindi mo na kayang i-redeem ang sarili mo or hindi mo na kayang maibangon ang sarili mo. And it sucks. I know how this thing is working. You feel very uncomfortable having these feelings, and it's disgusting. You are completely irritated with that, and all you can say, this is shit. Shit, everything is shit, right? I'm suffering for something that I really don't deserve. But here you are, you deserve it. It looks like kinakain mo yung dumi niya. And this thing is all about that. You are eating your ex's shit. And this is really bad. Really, really bad. It's like I'm just interpreting it in a very, 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 very bad situation and very bad scenario. Nasa bad scenario ka, nasa bad situation ka. And now you're mad. But you cannot do anything because you cannot get mad. Hindi mo kayang magalit, hindi mo kayang magtanim ng sama ng loob sa kanya, hindi mo kayang alam mo yun, hindi mo kayang mag-burst ng inis or ng galit upang gumanti. Kasi ang nararamdaman mo ay mahal mo pa siya, oh shit. Yeah, I mean, nagiging masama ako direkta sa punto because this is the dark truth. It is just I'm being straight to the point. Don't blame me. I'm just telling you what is the truth. The truth is, you are being dumped. You are being dumped, you are being left. Iniwanan ka, dinump ka, at napaka-cold niya. Wala siyang sorry, wala siyang apologetical way ng paghihingi ng sorry sa'yo. Nagsusorry man siya sa'yo, yung mga sorry na wala na usapan. Like, sorry, hindi kita kayang panindigan. Sorry, I think deserve mo yung iba. Ganong klaseng sorry, hindi sorry yun. That's just a bullshit excuse. He or she just wanted to escape from you. And this thing really hurt you so much. And now, where you are at, nasaan ka? You feel down. You feel neglected. And your feeling now is no longer that feelings, tama? You are in absolute zero balance. You're mad, pero hindi ka makagante kasi nga, you love him or you love her so much. Yun yung problema. Ikaw ang problema. Now, what's my advice? You know what? I just want you to change your ways. I just want you to have this kind of freedom. Why don't you get mad? Wala naman palang solusyon to get... I'm not talking about how to get your ex back. I'm not talking about how to get revenge on your ex. Why don't you just get mad? Yeah, I know you already forgave your ex or anything like that, but I still want you to be mad. I still want you to have that emotion. I want you to feel that pride. Lahat dito sa society, dito sa social media, kahit sa TV at kahit sa movie, everyone will teach you. I-give up mo ang pride mo. And that's the exactly thing that you are doing to get your ex back. Give up mo na ang pride mo, pero hindi naman siya bumalik. Naging cold siya sa'yo. Maybe this is the time to, why don't you try to do the opposite thing? Na hindi mo na-advise ng social media, hindi mo na-advise ng magulang, hindi mo na-advise ng mga tropa, or hindi mo na-advise ng kung sino-sino. Why don't you try to wake up and let us face reality? Because you have a reason to be mad. You have a reason to get angry. Why? Kasi you gave your very best, you gave your heart, you gave your soul, you gave your love. You dedicate yourself, but after all, look at the big picture, dinurog ka, iniwan ka, at pagkatapos, bye-bye. Cold-blooded, men. Tapos sasabihin sa'yo, sorry, hindi kasi kaya ko panindigan. Yung sorry niya, hindi talaga sorry yun. Excuse yun. Hindi ka tanga para hindi maintindihan yun. Be angry. Be mad. I'm not saying that you don't need to forgive him or forgive her. Yeah, it's already forgiven. Napatawad na natin. But I still have this emotion that you piece of shit, you've done this to me. And now I'm gonna take this one over. I'm gonna wake with this pride and I will have this one. Kasi meron kang isang bagay na hindi kayang kunin sa akin. And that's my pride. Alright? Well, that's my advice, okay? But if you want to get your ex back. Or for one-on-one coaching, give us a message at Philippine Dating Coach. Thanks for watching.